April of 2025. Walukaga Mathias versus Electoral Commission.
Areas, a lot to Jonathan. Areas, a lot to Jonathan. Respondent number 2, Asman Yonitono, appearing jointly with Mwigo Alan. Mwigo Alan. Mwigo Alan.
Alan James.
Alan James. Yeah.
What is your exact name?
Mwigo Alan James.
Mwigo. They must have overcame you. Yes.
Your Honor, the first respondent, that's the Electoral Commission. Right now, there is no representation, although I've seen Council Eric Sabiti and told me there is a colleague who was appearing. So for the record, for now,
let's proceed. Yes.
For now, we don't have anybody from the Electoral Commission. I'm not the representative. Is there anybody from you, from this? Your Honor, there is nobody from the Electoral Commission.
I hope they are not waiting for me in chambers. Somebody should confirm, because normally we sit in chambers. I don't want them to wait down and we are proceeding either to dismiss or to allow in the absence. Yes. I know you want to make a prayer very fast. Proceed without delay.
Now, in the interest of justice, I wouldn't make a prayer in that context. But
yes.
Banange tuli live mu konti amaze bamusaba service for the machine.
And the parties in court.
Your Honor, we have
Wali live kumkutu wa media wiki.
Mr. Mathias Walukaga. Honorable Mathias Walukaga is present in court.
Shall my record is on, right? Okay, good. Where is the petition?
Banange botuuka jiweka like video live jiweka like
Our colleagues from this
toji sharing
Bahrain.
If you are not a lawyer and you are seated near where they can sit, you move. When you go to school, you can come and join the back. Now you allow those who are here to speak for others to sit. Yes. Put yourselves on record. Why are you waltzing in my courtlet?
My lord, we are not aware of this matter. We have just got the copy of the hearing notes.
Who told you not to check it, miss? Who told you not to check it, miss?
Sorry for that mishap, but we have just got the hearing from another forum. That's why we knew this matter was coming this morning. The reason why we are there.
Put yourself on record.
My lord, I'm Patrick Wetaka.
Patrick
Wetaka.
Wetaka.
W-E.
Wetaka.
My lord, Wetaka.
Yes. Okay.
Appearing together with my right friend, Amid Urugolovi. Amid Urugolovi.
Yes.
My lord, we both appear for the first respondent.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so the parties, I have the petitioner in court. Is there anybody else in court? Where is the second respondent? The one who has caused the chaos. So second respondent not in court.
It's not in court. The book is not down.
So somebody has gone to call everybody who is Yes, address me.
Your Honor, this application, the petition itself, that's petition number 10 of 2025.
Yes.
It's been fixed for today. We got the summons signed yesterday, so we have effected physical service of the petition on the respondents this morning.
Yes.
They have not had an opportunity in their circumstances to file their response, although under the rules it's 3 days. And we have quite peculiar circumstances because time is not our best ally. Christmas is fast approaching, and the election day is equally fast approaching. However, Your Honor, there is a preliminary issue that I wanted indulgence of court. We had had a discussion.
I have read your petition. I'm not going to indulge your preliminary objection.
It's not an objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
The petition itself, the ruling had been dated 25th.
Yes.
Although we received it the same. We did receive, but the same was aired out on the social media and media on the 9th.
So what are you saying?
So we had done an application for validation to be sure that it hadn't been released earlier. Although the conversation we had informally
You
had
want to object to that?
with the respondents was that it's fine. So we had an application filed for
Let
validation.
them speak for
We
themselves.
wanted to know whether they.
Do you want me to make a ruling in that application for validation? Do you have an objection?
My Lord, we don't intend. If they didn't start running from the day they received the ruling.
Okay. So, that is sorted. So your application is granted with no costs. Yes. Now let's go to the meat. How much time do you need to respond?
Your Lordship, for the
Yes.
second respondent, for the record again, after we would pray for 3 days because on a quick glance over, I've seen that cerebral voluminous with other pieces of evidence.
There is no volume there. I have read the petition. There is no volume there.
There are some new documents we want
I
to
can even tell you the number of pages, including annexures. Go and do some work. Spend some sleepless nights.
Yes, Lord.
How much time
3
do you
days.
need?
3 days maximum.
No, 3 days. I'm not going to give you 3 days. 3 days takes me to Christmas. I also want to go and look at my cows and enjoy life. So you have a day to make your reply. There is nothing magical. I am also assuming that EC should be able to make a reply in a day.
My Lord, for the Commission, would be comfortable with 2 days, my Lord.
You'd even be comfortable with a year, so die 1 day.
My Lord, I would have.
What is so magical that you're going to respond to? There are 2 issues raised in the petition. 2 major issues. Yes.
My Lord, we have many other petitions to hand. My Lord, if we're given only 1 day, considering that we have even to file responses in other courts, my Lord. So a day would not be enough. So we prefer tomorrow.
So that is to done tomorrow.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. So by close of business tomorrow, you should have filed and served your reply. Do you want to rejoin?
Your Honor, we would seek to rejoin if any, but also put our submissions immediately.
So you rejoin. So today is what?
16.
Today is 16th. So by 17th you file and serve both respondents. By 18th you do any rejoinder and any submissions you may have, file and serve. How much time do you need to file your submissions?
Your Lordship, we had hoped, in the interest of time, if we could accord us only 20 minutes each side.
No, I'm not going to do that. How much time do you need to file your submission?
Yes, they start.
They have already answered.
We have
They are
used
going-
one day
They are going to file and serve by the 18th.
because it's
within a day.
an expeditious application.
Yes. EC tell me. The first respondent doesn't seem, second respondent doesn't seem interested in their matter.
My Lord,
Yes.
for the first respondent, we need 2 days
2 days to do what? You have filed your affidavit.
to file and serve. My Lord, we have no right of rejoinder, so we need 2 days. So I know what's important.
I am going to give you 1 day. I'm going to give you 1 day. By the 19th, you should serve and file your submission or your reply to the submissions. Do you need time to, whoever is oppressed by the time I have given, you can use it as a ground of appeal in the Court of Appeal. Yes. I am
Your Honor,
saying it sarcastically.
Your Honor, if,
Yes.
if we are served on the same date, we need to have a day for rejoining the and
To tell me what? To tell me what?
my Lord, I don't want to speculate.
No, to tell me what? Whatever would have arisen in your affidavit in rejoinder, raise it in your submissions.
My Lord, I was making a reference to submissions.
Yes.
Because that
And
could be-
I'm telling you, submissions arise from the pleadings.
Yes,
Right?
my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
Whatever you call from the bar will not be considered.
First of light, my Lord.
Yes. So if you go and drink your alcohol and write things, I will not consider them. That's a joke. But whatever you call at the bar will not be.
First of light.
The parties are bound by their pleadings. So as you are replying and as you are doing those things, seriously think about what you say. So if you are rejoining, my assumption is the issues have arisen. So you put them in your submissions. Saying in our affidavit in rejoinder, we say this and this, because of this and this, we submit like this.
First of light.
I'm not giving you time to rejoin.
First of light.
Yes. So you will have your judgment a day from that date. Give me a judgment date, a day from there.
22nd December, my Lord.
22nd December. If you comply, you will have your, when is Christmas?
My Lord, it's still on the 25th.
It hasn't changed.
Yeah.
So you will have your ruling or judgment on the 22nd. Don't come here, you'll find it on ICMIS, you can crash your computers or hack them, you can quarrel there, I don't care. But I will post your ruling on ICMIS on that day. Questions?
My Lord would just like to thank the court.
No, don't thank me.
My Lord, the court.
The what?
Would like to thank the court for accommodating us.
Yes, that's my job.
Most of light.
That is my
Your
job.
Lordship, my question is your guidance on the
Yes.
tribunal objection, when they're going to address it at the time of the
Raise them as an issue. If you have any, I saw in your petition you raised a PO on the jurisdiction of the EC and what. You can raise it as an issue. I'm not going to deal with it separately and then overrule you and then you come back and then you go to with your trolls on social media. Mulabe ekintu akiwisizaawo when it is you playing judicial semantics.
most of like Your Lordship.
So you will get the expeditious judgment you want. Yes, so when they raise it, you equally respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But also bear in mind that once an illegality is brought to the attention of court, which case is that? The court cannot
Ignore.
It applies to both of you. use it the way you want. Any more questions? That's it. Good luck. May the best man win.
Ebyadala ono omulamuzi simutegedde omanyi kyagambye tugende tuwulire ebyabannamateeka ebagenda omulamuzi bamusanga agusaze mu bwangu, so omusango ogenda wulira on 22nd.
But to me, I had no time in
kwatagana media yo kimanyi
Okay, bannange kiriwo omulungi ali ku extreme media yuge kintu kiri nti omusango bagutadde ennaku z'omwezi 22nd ate tegugenda kubeera physical, gugenda kuba nti medical social media kuba nti nga isi we yawandiika ekintu
omumpi wakufa